What's up guys, Dave from DC Tech back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy A30s. Let's get started. Alright, taking a look around the box, we have the A30 on the front, nothing on this side, the Samsung A30 branding on the left side. Nothing on the top. At the bottom we got the color, which is the Prism Crush Black. Okay, let's jump right in. Oh, I forgot to mention, at the back we got some of the special features like the Infinity V display, the triple camera setup, and the in-display fingerprint scanner. This model also has a 25 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with a 16 megapixel front camera, so that's actually pretty cool because you're going to get a lot of detail in your selfies. It also has 128 gigabytes of storage with 4 gigs of RAM paired with that. So this is a real beast. Okay, so we got this package here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks like we got a clear plastic case. Actually pretty nice. Alright, put that down. And looks like a warranty card. Oh no, this is the Samsung Pay. Here's the warranty card and the quick start guide. Right, so we can take this and put it to the side. Okay. Got the phone, we'll put that to the side, get back to it. Inside we have a pair of earphones. Not the best earphones like what come with Samsung flagships. These are like their budget pair of earphones. I know some more mid-range Samsung smartphones come with a better pair, but I have used these in the past and they are pretty good, especially paired with the Dolby Atmos on this phone. Okay, and USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We also have a SIM ejector tool in the box and a 15 volt fast charger brick. Alright, and that's pretty much it in the box. Okay, so we can move that aside and then get to the phone. Now this is the first time I am seeing this Prism Crush Black, so let's take a look at it. Slide the phone out. Oh, that looks amazing. It got a cool design to it. It shimmers like a rainbow effect when light hits it. Here's a look at the triple cameras. As you can see, no fingerprint scanner on the back or on the sides, because this is an optical scanner underneath the display. And here we have a look at our 16 megapixel selfie camera. Volume buttons and power buttons on the right hand side of the device. We also have the SIM tray on the left hand side. At the bottom we got single firing speaker with the headphone jack and the Type-C port, but it did come out in late 2019, so this can technically be called a 2020 phone as well. Let's turn the device on. Here's a start screen. Okay, so while this is getting set up, we should run through the specs. This features 128 gigs of onboard storage with 4 gigs of RAM. I'm sure there's a 64 gig version with 3 gigs of RAM if you're looking for a cheaper price, but this is the one that I have, and it has 128 gigs of storage and 4 gigs of RAM. It got a 6.4-inch Super Amoled screen, so you won't be disappointed with the screen. This is one of the best screens you can get on a cheap smartphone right now. I know most of Samsung's budget line are Super AMOLED, except for I think the A10, A01 and A11, they support LCD screens, but with the price that we're getting this at, it's very nice to see a Super AMOLED panel. Build quality of the devices is made of plastic around the sides and the back, but Samsung's calling this plastic because it's a combination of glass and plastic, so I'm pretty sure it's like trying to decrease the amount of scratches that'll occur on this phone. But just take a look at this color. I am in love. I wish more phones had designs like this, because this is a really unique design. And we have the phone set up now, so let's go ahead and set up the fingerprint scanner so I can show you how this works. Okay, fingerprint scanner added. Okay, let's see how fast this is. So we'll turn the thing on. Oh, that's fast. That is really fast. Just one more time. I say about a second, and I wasn't even pressing my finger in. Let's see if it works. It even works with the screen off. So here's a demonstration with the screen off. It doesn't show any indicator. Let's just try over here. You can see how it illuminates where my finger is, and it unlocks. So I say this works about 90% of the time, because it's working fine when I had the screen on, and only when the screen is off things here. So I'll go through all of the settings in my full review, but this is just the first impressions. We'll come back to that fingerprint scanner later, but let's check out the camera. Let's open up the camera. Now, you will be taking 25 megapixel photos with the main camera. So let's just get the box in here. Focus up and take a picture. And let's go wide angle. Wow. It's amazing how much you can get out of the wide angle photo. This is a 123-degree field of view, so you're gonna get a lot of things into the picture. So this is the wide angle photo, and then the normal photo. And let's take a quick selfie. There's also live focus options here, so let me take a live focus one as well. Oh, and these selfies are really detailed. 16 megapixels in the front really count, so your selfies are going to be looking really good if you get this phone. I say the live focus is pretty good. It got some really good edge detection. I'll have to try it out with glasses and see if it still works as good, but I'm sure it does. Going through the different camera sections here, there's a slow motion feature, there's live focus on the front as well, panorama, and food. I guess when you're taking pictures of food, it'll put like a blur and stuff there, if I'm looking at it correctly. Well guys, this has been the Samsung Galaxy A30s unboxing and first impressions. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for the full review, which will be coming out in a couple weeks. Thanks a lot for watching. This is DC Tech.